because benzoyl peroxide can oxidize other ingredients, so it's best not to apply this alongside vitamin C. If you are using benzoyl peroxide in your routine for acne, talk to your dermatologist about how to best incorporate vitamin C safely and effectively. This is how you will incorporate vitamin C into your routine, exactly what step you should be using it. In the morning, cleanse with a low pH cleanser or your gentle cleanser depending on your skin's tolerability. And step 2, apply your vitamin C serum. I highly recommend using this in the morning routine, not the nighttime routine, because of its antioxidant properties and its ability to fight off sun damage. So make sure you capitalize on these properties and use it in the morning. Step 3, you will apply your moisturizer. I linked below some great options. I like to pair this with Neutrogena Hydro Boost, which does contain hyaluronic acid in it because, like I mentioned, this gives the vitamin C better penetration. And last but not least, apply your sunscreen each day, even in the winter, even on cloudy days. Those people who commit to everyday use of sunscreen, no matter what, have far younger and healthier looking skin. So don't forget this step. So that's your morning routine. I recommend keeping it simple. If you are using multiple other serums and other treatment products with the vitamin C, which is very delicate, you risk inactivating it and making it useless. So keep it simple. Only use one treatment product in your morning routine. If you really want another type of treatment product in your routine, I recommend incorporating it at night, or you can start an alternating day skincare routine. And do not forget to make sure you apply it to your face and your neck. You really want your neck to look young and healthy too, because a mismatch there can really give away your true age. Let's talk money. In true budget-friendly fashion, this product can be found for right around $15 to $20. You can almost always find a coupon for it or an Amazon discount, which can lower that price even further. So as for when to expect results from this product or just vitamin C products in general, you can get immediate results from moisturization and antioxidant benefits. This vitamin C product is really particularly moisturizing, much more so than other brands I've used, which for some can leave kind of a tacky feel on the skin. I find this one to be incredibly elegant, and you may notice generally brighter skin in just a few weeks. And then over the course of the first few months, 3 months, even up to 6 months, you can really start to see improvements of the fine lines and hyperpigmentation on the skin. Now, of note, this product will start out kind of looking white in color, and with time, it can take on more of a yellow appearance. You may have read on the internet about vitamin C, and when it takes on this color, it means it's inactivated. But CeraVe says that despite this color change, it's still active, and I assume that's based on their studies and product testing. And like I mentioned earlier, it does have other ingredients added in it that will help maintain its stability as well as proper packaging. Despite this color change, I continue to notice good results with it as far as overall brightening. So to sum it up, what I like about this product: the packaging, its moisturizing feel on the skin. It wears very well under sunscreen and makeup. It's more user-friendly than dropper and bottle formulations. It contains vitamin E. It is a great price. It's widely available, and it's fragrance-free. Now, what I don't like about this product is that it only has 10% vitamin C, which is lower than what I generally try to shoot for, which is closer to 15%. I think that you will get quicker results with a bit higher vitamin C concentration, closer to 15%. But this isn't necessarily a bad thing if you are a first-time vitamin C user or if you have sensitive skin or rosacea-prone skin. I actually recommend for those skin types to start more with a gentle product and easier to tolerate product like this one. So I think this is a great option for those scenarios. It does not contain ferulic acid, which would even further boost the stability and efficacy, but that's really it. So overall, I do recommend this product. It is a really solid vitamin C option in this price range. Again, I especially recommend it for first-time vitamin C users to get your skin used to this ingredient. From there, you can graduate to a higher strength product if you wish, or you can just continue to reuse this product if you are happy with it and it's giving you good results without side effects. I think it's totally acceptable to use this long term. And my reminder to you, more expensive vitamin C products are not always better. So do not fall into the trap of feeling like you need to spend hundreds of dollars on a product for it to be effective. I say this time and time again, the skincare industry is so not transparent. So it's very hard for us as the consumer to know the true efficacy of many of these products. It has us wondering, is the $200 vitamin C serum really better than this $15 one? You really cannot answer this question by looking at the price or the company that